Hey, what's up guys and gals? Today, I've got something super cool and trendy to show you. A brand new iPhone app that's going to blow your mind. It lets you swap faces with anyone, just like what you see on my screen. And guess what? You can also add muscles and abs to your body. Yeah, seriously, you can turn yourself into a total beast. And hold up, it gets even better. You can impress your girlfriend or your friends by changing up their features like altering their hair color, lip size, and even giving them the perfect body shape. Plus, you can add natural chest curves too. How awesome is that? But wait, there's more. You can also try on clothes without even buying them. This AI app lets you check out how different outfits would look on you before you make a purchase. Trust me, this is just the tip of the iceberg. Stick around because I'm about to show you all the amazing features this app has to offer. Grab some popcorn, sit back, and enjoy the ride. The app I'm talking about is Pick Plus, and it's available right now in the Apple App Store. I'll drop the link in the description below so you can grab it right after the video. Alright, let's dive in and explore all the cool stuff this app can do. First things first, look at all these amazing features. You've got so many options here, and it even gives you high-res images so you can swap faces like a pro. You can upload your own photos and swap faces or tweak your image with the Beauty Wand feature. Let me show you how it works. So, for all my boys out there, check this out. Go into beauty mode, select your photo, and tap on Reshape. There are a ton of options here, but the one I'm showing you is the abs and muscles option. Just follow the little tips and draw around the parts of your body where you want to add some abs or muscles. After, hit the magic wand icon. And boom, check out the results in just seconds. Look at that, insane, right? The before and after is crazy. So guys, what are you waiting for? Download this app, add those abs to your body, and show them off to your friends. You'll love it. Now let's talk about another awesome feature, changing outfits in your photos. Just tap on the cloth changer option, choose your photo, and you've got two choices. Either use a reference image of clothes or pick from preset outfits. You see a girl wearing a bikini? Let's change it to a full outfit. Hold on, and voila! Her outfit totally changed and it's super accurate. You can see the before and after right here. You can also try the preset outfits, and once you're happy with your look, just tap the download icon in the top right to save it to your phone. Next up, let's talk about tummy trim. If you want to make your tummy look a little more toned, this app has got you covered. Upload your photo, wait a sec, and watch as it works its magic. Look how awesome the result is. You can even use this to modify your girlfriend's photos and surprise her. And speaking of amazing features, let's talk about chest curve. Girls, you can add natural curves to your chest with this AI tool. It really makes your photos pop. I know some girls are going to love this, so let me know in the comments if you've tried it or if you want to. But that's not all. This app can also remove unwanted objects from your photos. It's kind of like the new cleanup feature in iOS 18. Under beauty mode, select your photo, then tap on the remove object option. Simply paint over the area you want to erase, hit the magic wand, and poof! That object is gone. And if you want to add something instead of removing it, you can do that too. Just head to creative mode, draw where you want the object, type in your prompt, like silver necklace, and hit the magic wand. Boom, your necklace is added. Want to add a tattoo? No problem. Just go to creative mode, draw where you want the tattoo, type in what you want, like flowers tattoo, and hit submit. It's that easy. Now girls, if you want to change the size of your buttocks, yep, you can do that too. Just choose the buttocks option, select your photo, and watch the app work its magic. You'll be amazed by the before and after results. Let me show you how to swap your face with any image. Tap on Retake, choose your AI profile, and make sure your face is nice and clear. After that, select a photo from the Retake category where you want to swap faces. Wait a second. And bam! Check out how awesome that looks. You can also swap faces with anyone you want. I swapped mine with an Elon Musk image, and the results were epic. And finally, the app has a bunch of pre-made templates that get updated with cool events. You can swap your face with these templates and create one-of-a-kind high-res photos. I swapped Elon's face with a template, and the result was mind-blowing. So that's a wrap, guys. I hope you love Pick Plus app as much as I do. All the links are in the description, so make sure you grab it and start playing around with all these awesome features. Drop a comment if you want to see more AI videos, hit that thumbs up if you like this one, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Tech Rushy for more iPhone tips and tricks.